We can make it!
Guess it could be worse, huh? We could be peeling you off the front of the train.
He just got a good break is all.
Sergio Morella's always been lucky. He was born with more brains than his brother, that's for sure.
We'll get him, boss.
No, you tore off this job. You're broken mirrors on this one. We'll let the guy who killed Galati take a crack. Tommy here's got all the politicians scared. Maybe he can put Sergio in the ground.
What do I need to know about this guy?
Besides, he's got a lucky rabbit's foot up his ass.
Sergio is Morello's top earner. He controls the unions, which means he controls the docks and attacks everything that's imported into the city. We kill him, and a big part of Morello's income will be wiped out.
Any ideas on how to get to him? I don't want to end up in a tree like these two.
You're going to scatter his ashes. It's a custom job. Attach it to the starter under his car. He'll be a human torch as soon as he turns the key.
It's safe to carry.
Hey, just don't drop it. Shake it, smoke near it. Yeah, it's safe. Boom!
Get it done, Tommy. For all our guys Morella's killed. And for all the money he's taken out of our pockets.
I'll take care of it, boss.
There's no way they'd come here.
I used to run with his crew. If Morello wakes up one morning and wants to come heavy, he'll come heavy.
Nah, now he won't.
He goes with his gut. There's one thing he's got, it's gut. All my little to the ground.
Yeah, that's gotta be Sergio's car. How am I gonna get through to it?
Other guys get all the best jobs. Sick of being out here.
Yeah, I'll be home before supper. Hey, you wanna go dancing this weekend? Maybe drop the kid off at your pop's place. Yeah, I'm still here. Oh, Christ. Hey! Stop! No, no, no.
Oh, God! Tommy, what's going on?
Pick up. Vinny. It all went bad.
Hey, pull it together, Tom. Whatever happened, happened. There's nothing you can do about it now. Sergio's luck is running out.
What are you talking about?
Sam and Paulie have found him. He's in Georgie's restaurant across town. You need to get over there fast.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah. No, we need help right away.
Tom, you okay?
Yeah, it's a car bomb. Things went south.
We could draw about it later. Right now, we gotta get that bastard. Let's go. What the hell? We got a message from Mr. Salieri. No! Kill these clowns!
First we take you out. Come on, Tom. You enjoying your meal? Tried the special, fellas? Get him on my back. Come on, we gotta get shot. Like that. Oh, we gotta get Sergio. He went out the back. Gonna reload.
Take him out! Over here!
Get me out of here!
Fucker! Oh, he's gone! Go get him, Tommy! Come on! Let's get back to the car. We gotta catch up before that idiot gets himself killed!
That motorcycle's coming for us!
So get it!
Got it, Sam!
Counselor Galati murder. Assassin still at large. Extract.
Learn to drive!
What are you idiots doing? Kill that motherfucker! Get every guy we got down here now!
He's coming this way! They're finished! Shit, no! Finding cover! Found him!
Get rifles up high! Pick him off! Get him in your cockpit and pop his fucking skull!
Taking cover. I've got to reload.
Crap! We lost him! Grab me cover!
I'm gonna finish him with the Tommy! Got it!
the site!
I see him! Moving into cover! Lining up a shot! Found him! Gotta reload! Got a guy hit the floor! Get around him! Get me into cover! Got a guy hit the ground! How you feel? Son of a bitch! He's coming this way!
What do I pay you for? He's tearing the docks apart!
Hey! Over here! Making a move on! I've got to reload! Move up his side! No! No! He's coming after me!
Your rifles up high! Pick him off!
Found him! Morello, get in the depot, we'll stop! Gonna throw flames! Got it! Sure turned this into a shit show, huh? Fuck, what happened? Some kind of fucking train? Down there!
You just winged me, asshole! You think you're the guy who's gonna kill me? What did I tell you? No one can touch me.
You ain't that lucky, bastard.
Wait. No!